Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's tutorial episode, I'm going to show you how to log into your Netspend account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your Netspend account, first open up a web browser. In the URL box at the top, type in www.netspend.com. and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you end up in the official site, click on the login button at the top right hand corner in order to get access to your existing account. In the login area appearing on the next page, you'll need to type in your username that you created while signing up, followed by your password. Type in your correct username in the first text box and head over to the password box and type in your password correct. If you'd like the system to remember your username, click on this little box beneath, but make sure to leave it unchecked if you're using a public or a shared device. If you don't remember your credentials, click on Forgot your username for username or the password link if you don't remember your password at all. After filling in your information, click the login button in green and you'll be able to get access to your netspend.com account quick and easy. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.